and then the car, and then they make a car, and then they make a car.
Yeah!
Oh. This is really funny.
All right, Pacha. So, tell people what you're riding. Hold on. Okay, tell people what you're riding, Pops.
Hallelujah.
Are you riding a motorcycle?
Hallelujah.
All right, my 3-year-old on a Stacyc 12E. He's mainly riding on the yellow setting, which is the medium. And he's gonna show you guys how he shreds today. He hasn't done too much riding, but he absolutely loves it. So let's do it.
Dad, what the hell is the top?
Is that one too fast?
Yeah. Dad, what is the top? Come on, Dad. What is the top, Dad? Come on, Dad.
Come this way.
Okay. Bye. Okay, probably. Whoa. Dad? Oh. Hey, Dad. I want the yellow one.
Do the yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one's too fast, huh?
Yeah, it is the wild wing.
Too fast, huh?
Yeah,
Do the yellow one.
this is wild to the wing.
Okay.
This is wild to the wing.
All right, so you're gonna switch it to yellow?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Green's too fast.
Come
All
on,
right, then
yellow.
yellow.
Yellow. There we go.
Huh. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Hold on, wait for Daddy.
Okay. Oh, are you okay, Dad? Are you okay, Dad?
Yeah, it's just the fender. I need to get a new one. It broke.
Are you...
All right, go ahead, Papa.
I'm on the dirt, Dad.
Go ahead. Show them how you do the dirt.
Whoa.
2.5 right here.
Are you okay, Dad?
Come this way, we'll go to that dirt over there.
That dirt? Follow me, Dad.
Follow Daddy.
Hmm?
There you go. Go ahead, buddy.
Okay. Woohoo! Oh. Oh. That's a
Come
reason.
on, buddy. I'm going to film you for a little bit, okay?
Okay. This way, right? Whoa, what's out? There's another body here.
Attaboy, son.
Hey, look! Hot dogs are so beautiful. Hey, look, Dad! Yeah, no, this is a hot dogger. I'm on dirt.
Go ahead, son.
No, I'm on this way. That's why. Wait. You're not finished. Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo!
Go ahead, little buddy. Go ahead.
I don't do it anymore. I'm doing it. Okay, then.
Top bud. You having fun?
Yeah,
Doing good, son.
thanks.
Go ahead, wherever you want. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Nice, bud.
It's so fun. Hey, here we go. Hop on the tail.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Yeah, dude.
What? What?
Want to go down this hill right here? Look.
a tether, a quarter in the heart, and a pen in the memory.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Nice.
A favorite is a tomer, and a favorite is a tomer.
Yeah, dude. Woo!
Hey, Dad! The head, there's this way, Dad.
All right, I'm coming. All right, round 2.
Round 2. Whoa. Whoa.
Look, son. You want to try going up this little one? Look. Look.
What?
Right here, look. Like this.
Like
Look
this?
at Daddy. Up this little one. You ready?
Yeah. I did, Daddy. Daddy, I did. Perfect.
Push. Yes. Like that, dude. Yeah. Dude, nice.
I did, Daddy. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Do that again.
What?
Go do that again.
Okay. What? What?
Oh, it's okay. Push. Push.
Okay.
Yep, push it up. Atta boy, son. You need help? It's okay. You want some help?
Yeah. Help me, Dad.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Help me. This one.
Got you, buddy. All right. You got to go a little bit faster.
Faster?
Yep.
Oh.
Go ahead. Try it again.
Okay. No, wait. Hold.
Yeah. There you go.
I did it.
Start from over here, Papa. There you go.
Sorry. Huh. That
Start from over here.
like that?
Yeah.
Oh. A sea pepper, a tomer, a family tomer, 9 tomer, a family dinner, a coca cola, a golden soda, a mommy dad. A coca cola, mommy dad, and a golden soda, my mommy dad. Bread, a little white mommy by the bed, a little one in the bread in the bowl. Perfect. Perfect. Let's try. The one that's right out. With the toga cat and the way of family. Perfect.
Nice.
Go ahead, Dad. Okay. Look. This way. This way. Good job, Dad. I don't food that I don't bed with mommy dad. I don't wait mommy dad. I don't mama and dad. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, the way better.
Yeah, there you go.
A family told me.
Boy.
This way. What? Okay. Fine, I'm gonna go do it. Fine, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, buddy. Dude.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, son. Dude, hitting it.
I'm in! I'm in! I'm in, Dad! I'm in!
What's that?
I'm in!
Yeah, you sure did, bud. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good. All right.
Oh, my rock!
Wow, you hit those rocks.
Yeah, thanks, Dad. This way, go down, go down. Oh no, a Barbie!
Yeah, buddy.
A Barbie, Dad!
Dude,
A Barbie, Dad!
that was crazy.
Dad, it's Barbie!
Oh, the battery ran out right when you hit it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ow.
dude, just a gnarly guy. Here. How do you have fun?
Yeah.